Loaded up, we got some bangs. We're tired as hell. It was a very long night.
I have an extra bang if you need it.
Brad looks dead. I feel dead. Gotcha. So we're just gonna change it on the trailer. I mean, yeah, I guess we got room. Oh shit, I should probably grab the axles, huh?
Grab a jack stand.
Safety first.
Alright, that's enough.
So right now, I want us to give a huge thanks to Brad and April and everybody that was there with me last night, which would be Jordan and Billy and Jordan's girlfriend, and yeah. So Elliot Bowley with, I think he's with Bluff City Performance or Elevated Innovations. I forgot to ask. I can't remember now, but he knew a guy from Collierville. His name's Don Fike, and he gave me this axle. And so I really want to thank everybody that helped me out with this, because I was not in a very good position for this to happen. This is how you change an axle. I'm gonna have like 3 videos.
It's a one-time use nut, but you know, I've used mine about 4 times.
It's not gonna go anywhere. What size sockets do you need?
15, 18, 21.
15, 18, 21, and a 32 to get the axle nut off, right?
32 to get the axle.
Okay, so take the top one out. We just fucking woke up, okay?
You're good.
We're allowed to make mistakes. Okay, so this is a really simple swap. Once you get, so obviously take the wheel off. You got a 32 millimeter axle nut right here. Pop that off, and then you got 3 more bolts. It's gonna be this one right here. It's gonna be this upper vertical link right here, and then this bottom control arm bolt right there. And then everything should drop out. You can Google the right process, but we can show them a better process, a faster process, right? What order of, so what's the order? Does that order matter? Which bolts you take out? What's your order? You just take out the...
Whatever size socket's on there first.
Yeah, understood. Okay. Poop. Yeah. Oh shit. Wow. And look at that sad little fella. Oh, there it is.
Pull that up.
I'm gonna pull this.
Pop this out. I gotta pop out this bottom. Bear with me.
You're good. Shit's super heavy. Do I need to raise or lower this?
You're good.
Okay.
Come on, you bitch. Mine popped right the fuck out.
So what are you putting the pry bar against?
It's got a little ear on the diff.
Oh, okay. So it's going against the diff, and you're pushing the, you're just trying to work the axle out.
Trying to pop it out. Yeah. Sometimes it's just a bitch, though.
Yeah. I told you not to touch it.
Well, he said to pick it up.
Which old greasy is this one? There it is. Point it down, babe.
Pull it up.
You tap the screen to see what you're looking at.
Watch yourself. You got it? Mm-hmm.
There she is. All sad and floppy. Make a trophy out of it. Look how sad that is. It's
I'll
just,
tell you though, 30 minutes. I'm telling you, axles are easy to change.
Yeah.
but see, that's something that sounds intimidating to people that have never done this.
Oh, you're fixing to. Here, I'm gonna show you something.
You guys are about to see exactly why
Why they stop?
these axles break. I love Ford, but I'm still kind of pissed at Ford for their design decision on this. So that's what it looks like on the inside.
It's a hollow half shaft with a styrofoam insert.
literally filled with foam.
For harmonics, and that just literally snaps and comes out. That's the Weeklink GT350 axles. They're $150 for the driver's side, and it's a solid driver's side axle.
Now I'm putting a stock one in because it was free. But yeah, in the future, more than likely, that's probably what I'm gonna do because I don't think I need like 2,000 horsepower axles. I probably will never need those on this car. Unless you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, smash everything so I can buy fast parts for my car. So when you're under the car and you're using your pry bar to push this thing out, one end of the pry bar is going to go against the rear diff. There's going to be a little divot for you to put that, right? Is that, it's a little ear.
There's a little ear on the diff. And then sometimes if you can't get them to pop out, you'll have to push them in a little bit and then pop them. If you can't get them to pop them, this used axle that we just got, more likely that's an air chisel. And they air chiseled it out. So the force of the air chisel just kind of pops this, what it is, this ring right here. It gets caught in the diff.
little clip.
Yeah. Obviously clip. So.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Let's shove this thing in here.
So the process of it going back in is just as easy as it coming back. So
I'm gonna have you pick that up so I can.
Gonna pull this up. I'm gonna shove that in there. There's our hole. A slutty car. And then, okay. So you just lift this up and just finagle it through there and just push it in and it locks in.
Yeah, that's it.
Bet. Okay, just like that. Hell yeah.
Alright, now I gotta get under there.
Okay.
So I gotta fill it and go in.
Okay.
You wanna fill it clear. Go ahead. Pick up higher. Damn it. Hold on. Jesus fuck. Hang on.
Do I need to go like left or right with this?
Hold on.
Does the clip need to face a certain way?
It's easier if it faces down.
So the opening needs to face down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now I gotta take this and just. They're wet. I just had to shove it in.
Oh, okay.
It's in. It clipped in.
It's in? Okay.
It's in.
Bet. Look how easy that was.
So now
Make sure you have two people.
you gotta. Oh, you're lifted up. You gotta
Yeah.
pull out.
Oh, okay.
You gotta pull out too.
Okay.
That's what it is. I was like, wait a minute.
So can you like get right here while I do that?
Yeah.
Yep, there it is. Is it good or do I still need to lift it?
Lift it up a little bit. I gotta fill the
Oh, yeah.
splines.
You only got it halfway in. I think it's starting to go. God, this is heavy. There it goes.
That. Feed this control armor. Take the e-brake off. And make sure it's in neutral.
It's in park.
Put it in neutral. There you go. You just dropped it. All right, now.
Do I need to put it back on now?
No, you're good. I just had to relieve the tension enough to get the, just leave it neutral.
Okay.
See how it just fell down? Like,
I gotcha.
get the vertical link like lined up.
There it is.
All right. Now this should follow.
Yes. Look at that. Everything's lined up.
Now give me the bolt.
Okay, I got 2 bolts over here. Don't know which one it is.
All right, it's gonna be this one. No, this one.
Okay.
And we gotta pull out.
Gotta pull what?
Out.
Okay.
Make it camber. Right there. Come on. All right, we'll torque that. And then we just have that top vertical link bolt.
Cool.
Yeah, so it goes there, and then as you tighten it,
It'll get sucked into it.
you get sucked in right there. And that's an 18. You'll have to. That's 15, and you'll have to do it with a ratchet.
Okay.
It's like 120 on the big bolts, and it's like on the vertical link. It's like 88 foot-pounds.
Gotcha. And okay. Cool.
All right, and then we got a 15 millimeter, and this gets torqued to 85 foot-pounds.
85. If you don't know how to use a torque wrench, you should really learn how to use a torque wrench. You probably don't have a torque wrench, so you should probably go buy a torque wrench and then learn how to use it.
You hadn't tightened it.
And this one's supposed to be 88
85.
or 85. So now at this point, really all we got left is to torque that axle nut back down and throw the wheels back on.
You should torque it down.
Oh yeah. So this one you got to put a lot of.
Yeah, honestly, it's fine.
You got to put a lot on, huh?
That's fine.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I just know how much of a bitch they are to get off. So this is the last one. As soon as we get this done, we're gonna be done for the day. And we're fixed, boys and girls. It's been a hell of a day and a half. I know it's just a snapped axle, but the last time something like that happened to me, I blew the motor in my 2 valve. So, you know, it's actually been fully incapacitated. You know, couldn't drive my car. So, yeah, feels good. Feels good. We got everything taken care of. I'm happy. You know, it didn't cost anything. Thanks to all the support. This is what I love about the car scene. You know, it's easy to make friends in the car scene, and it's very. It definitely comes in handy, you know. Matter of fact, the guy that gave me the axle, he actually gave me both axles. So, you know, if in the future somebody else I know breaks, you know, the other side, well then guess what? I'm gonna give them that one. You know what I mean? So man, I'm extremely thankful right now. So, anyway, guys, treat everybody right, treat your friends right, go make friends, go do car stuff, go break stuff, have fun, and get back on the road and learn something.